This is my first time using my brand new pretty little camera. It's an Omni 2. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. So, we're going to experiment with a little video. Today we're going to go look at my daughter who's doing something, her playpen. Maybe sleeping, but no, just sitting there today. Shock. Okay, ready? Let's see. Hi, baby! What are you doing? Trying to stand up, huh? You just can't because everything's right there. Oh, in the way. Ah! Is there a fly buzzing by your head? There is, isn't there? Hi, baby. What are you doing? You just went up. Okay. Ready? Up, baby. Okay. So today the camera works. Yeah? Does it work? See if it does, Mama. See, she says it works. So, we're going to post this on YouTube just because we got nothing better to do. Yeah. Kissy. Okay. Just because we got nothing better to do, we're going to post this on YouTube today. We're going to see how well it turns out. If it turns out shitty, well then fuck this camera. Don't snap that will hurt Mommy. If it turns out great, then awesome! New camera!